This is RICKY, the YouTube tech guy. Hey guys, so right here we have the Galaxy S10 Plus. It looks really good. Obviously they're kind of trying to hide that little circle camera at the top, but I do like the way it looks. The camera, I do like a couple of the features. I will say, I feel that this kind of is going to be narrowed down. Remember, you can edit this, so I would say you're definitely going to edit this camera down, just because it has too many parts, but I do like when we go right here and see the zoom in, the regular, and then the nice wide angle. So you have all three of those very dynamically. Like it a lot. You have swipe down here, settings, and the first thing you're going to want to do on any of these phones, just go to display and turn on night mode. All the dark mode, you always want it on, and it's the first thing anyone should do. It also has the reverse wireless charging, which we can go right here, wireless power sharing, tap it, and then you can charge your watch just like that. Really simple, quick and easy, and it's fast wireless charging. That's the big difference between this and any other company that does this right now. It's fast wireless charging by comparison to other brands. I really like this device. I'm also noticing they added a few more things to it as well. So when you swipe over this way, you see Kids Home is by default built in to the notification panel now, as well as you still have a secure folder. Bixby Routines is at the top now as well. And so it's just kind of interesting to see what has been added and what you can also still add, by the way, because of course you hit these little three dots and you can add more things to come. So always nice to see what new things are in line, but all in all, I really like the Plus, the way it looks, and yeah, it really looks good. Can't wait to really test it out and get more hands-on time with it. Thank you as always for watching. This has been RICKY, the YouTube tech guy. Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, why don't you go ahead and subscribe up there. Make sure you follow us on social media right here. And of course, check out our latest video up there. And right down here, you're going to find the perfect video for you. Or at least that's what YouTube tells me. Thanks again.